everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting day. The secret of getting ahead is getting started, so let's get started into the video. If you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, follow me on Instagram, and let's get into this video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an easy look using the Frozen II Colourpop on a palette. Here's all the names on the back, and I'm going to show you the palette. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick, easy look using the Frozen II Colourpop palette. I did a look using the Frozen Colourpop 2 palette, the Elsa palette. This time I'm going to be using the Anna. I have used this palette before, but I haven't done a video with it. And I had a subscriber ask me to do an easy look, so I figured, hey, this might be a good palette to use. And here's the colors. I really like this palette. I like the color story in it. I think these colors will look really good on my skin compared to the other palette. Let me grab it. Okay, so this is the Elsa palette. The colors in here are really pretty too, but they're not as appealing as, I don't know, I guess the Anna palette speaks to me a little bit better. Like, these colors are really gorgeous too, but I don't know, for some reason I do like the Anna palette a little bit more. To save time, I already did my eyebrows. Prime and prep them. Base primer, my P. Louise base in Rumor 1 that I always use. I've used this base forever. I've got tons of P. Louise bases because they are the best base ever. Okay, my eyes are prime and prepped. I'm going to move you guys in a little bit closer so we can see what we're doing on my face. There we go. Now you guys are close enough. You can see all the pores on my face. My skin isn't doing that good. I don't know what the heck is going on. I think it's just because of the heat. Anyways, let's get into this palette. So I'm going to do some swatches first as well. Okay, so the first color is Scooch In. The next one is Wind. This one is Earth. This one is Adventure. This one is Arendelle. This one is Autumn Breeze. This one is Warm Hugs. This color is Fearless. And this one is Charades. So these are all the colors swatched for you. Don't mind my arm. I have henna on my hand, so I couldn't do it this way. This will be in another video.
Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight? So tell me, who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight? So tell me, who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight? Who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight?
completed. I absolutely loved how this look came out. It is so beautiful. Out of both of these palettes, I definitely like the Anna palette better than the Elsa. Sorry, it's just that these colors look so much better on my skin tone than these. I had a hard time blending these onto my skin in the beginning. So I definitely recommend this one for anybody with darker skin tones. This one probably looked better people with lighter, in my opinion. They're both two beautiful palettes. I'll still end up using both. I'll probably end up using this one more. Anyways, I had fun creating this easy look for you guys. I will list all the products I use below. But I wanted to talk on something real quick before I close with you guys. There is a lot of drama going on, once again, in the beauty community with all these high-profiled people. These people make millions in dollars that most of us won't make anytime soon. It'd be nice if we all did, but you know, I don't know what the hell is going on. The thing is, moving forward, is that you guys are our future. You guys are the generation that needs to learn from everybody's mistakes and not follow in those types of footsteps. You guys need to be the example for the future after that. Like, it's just a circle. It's very unfortunate to what is going on and all the drama channels that keep on spilling the tea and all this stuff that's going on. It looks like there's just so much going on in the beauty community. So many things that people have strayed away from videos like this. So all you younger guys and girls and everybody else, remember why you watch these people. Yeah, it's entertaining, but you know, I do these kind of videos, makeup videos, because I love playing with makeup, and that's what I think the world needs. We all need to play with makeup again. There's too much going on right now. There's too much. The world is a dark, sad place right now. We need to bring the light back. So, you know, whatever you have to do, even if you compliment somebody a day or do something nice for someone or for yourself, you know, that's bringing the light back. We need more of that positivity. So I'm just gonna end this video with this little saying. These people, they will come back, and hopefully, you know, they need to just probably take 6 months or a year off and take a break from social media. Social media can be it can be a dark place too if you let it get to you. But then you do have other channels, like smaller channels. Look at Juicy Jazz. Her channel is one of my all-time favorites. Allie Dawson, she's very small, but she is another incredible YouTuber. I will link everybody here. And Paige Karan, she is such a sweetheart. I don't know her personally. Maybe one day I'll meet her. She's so sweet too. They all focus on makeup. They don't get caught up in all this drama and all this stuff. And you know, they do. Their channels are growing. And maybe open your hearts up to other smaller channels. Maybe you can learn a couple things here and there from them. Anyways, that's just my 2 cents for today. Whatever. So before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. Think about it. I love Alice in Wonderland, and that was such a cute quote. So that's why I always include it in all of my little videos. So I just want to say, thank you for all you birdies for following me, supporting me, like and subscribing to my channel, and following me on Instagram, wherever I'm going to put it. And I just want to continue to grow this channel, and I want all you birdies to just be safe and happy, and I will see all you birdies later. Bye everybody.